boys and girls, my name is Murli Bobby and I'm back here with another software based video. So if you are new to this channel, I have already made an introduction video on hate speech analysis. If you haven't watched it yet, the link is in the description. You can click it and watch it. So talking about this video, here I'll be showing you guys the prototype which we were able to develop in the meantime. So before showing you guys how it actually works, let me give a small introduction about this portal. Using this portal, you can run sentiment analysis on various social media platforms as well as on your own datasets. And another thing is that I would like to apologize for the lame outlook of this portal. The thing is that we spent most of our time building the backend itself and we didn't concentrate much on the front end. But we may improvise it in the near future. With that being said, let me show you guys how it actually works. Once you get into the portal, this is the screen you will be able to see. On the left hand side, there is a select box with a number of tools that one would like to use. So let me start with YouTube Comment Analyzer. So how this thing works is, so it scrapes all the comments under a given video ID. It performs an analysis on the comments present under that video. It generates a word cloud and it performs a sentiment analysis and display it in the form of a bar graph. So all you have to do is just enter the video ID. So video ID is nothing but the thing which is present here. This is the video ID. You just have to copy it and paste it there. So this is the video ID of my video. So it has 37 comments here. So let us see how it works. So you have to copy it and paste it here and click analyze. Once you click analyze, the analysis process starts. So once the analysis is over, so these are the things you will be able to see. First comes the word cloud. This word cloud consists of the most commonly used words in my comment section. So these are the most commonly used words in my video. So those are displayed here. The next comes an total analysis of all the comments present under my video. So it runs an analysis for each and every comment present in my video. It assigns a subjectivity and polarity value for each comments, and it displays the result in an analysis column. So it is done for all the 37 comments. It is done for all the 37 comments, and the result of all the 37 comments are present in the analysis column. You can just check it here. And finally, there is a bar graph. So this bar graph helps me to visually understand the sentiment of people commenting under my video. So my video has a lot of neutral comments and some positive comments and less negative comments. So this is how YouTube Comment Analyzer works. The next thing is that there is Tweet Analyzer. Next one is a tweet Analyzer. So how this thing actually works is, so it fetches all the recent tweets from the given Twitter handle. So it performs an analysis on the tweets, it generates a word cloud, and performs a sentiment analysis and display it in the form of a bar graph. So all you have to do is just enter the Twitter handle you would like to analyze. So I personally don't have a Twitter handle, so let me just enter my friend's Twitter handle. So there are some number of activities you can do. First thing, you can either see the recent tweets or analyze the tweets or generate a word cloud, and you can also visually see the sentiment analysis. So let me just see the recent tweets of my friend. So I select it and click analyze. So here are the tweets under my friend's Twitter handle. So all the tweets are displayed here. The next one is analyze tweets. So I select it and click analyze. Here, each and every tweets under Twitter handle is analyzed and it is assigned with the subjectivity and polarity value. Based on the subjectivity and polarity value, the result is displayed and it is displayed in an analysis column. So just like the YouTube Comment Analyzer, it is done for all the tweets and the result are displayed in analysis column. So next one comes word cloud. So here is the word cloud. This word cloud shows the most commonly used words under Twitter handle. So these are the most commonly used words used by my friend in his Twitter handle. So the last one is the visual analysis. Yeah, so here a bar graph is generated and it shows the amount of positive, negative, and neutral comments under Twitter handle. Here there are these number of neutral comments and these number of negative comments. If a friend has any positive comments, positive tweets, it will be displayed here. So this is how Twitter Analyzer actually works. So the next comes the image analyzer. How image analyzer actually works is, so it extracts the text from the given image. So it performs an analysis on the extracted text and it displays the result. So all you have to do is to upload the image you would like to analyze. So let me just, so this is the text I would like to analyze. So I will just open and upload it. So once you upload your image, so it runs analysis. So once analysis is done, you will be able to see the result here. So as my image has no hate or offensive comments, so it shows that there are no hate and offensive comments. So the final one is the text analyzer. So how text analyzer actually works is, so if you have your own data which is to be analyzed, you can just enter your text here and give analyze text and the result will be generated. So let me just show you how it works. So let me just type hi, which is neither a hate comment nor an offensive comment, and once if I give analyze text, the analysis starts. So yeah, so since hi is neither an hater nor an offensive comment, the result is shown as no hate and offensive comment. Whereas when I give an offensive comment and analyze it, yeah, so result is shown as offensive language. Since my data has offensive language, it is shown as offensive language. So in this mean, you can run analysis on your own data. So we are looking forward to develop it further. So if any of you guys are interested in developing it, you can ping me anytime. I'll attach my social media in the description. You can just message me there. So before ending this video, there is something I would like to tell. So just because I posted doesn't mean that I alone did this. So I have to give credit to my teammates for their hard work and efforts for building this analyzer. So I really thank them. So yeah, so that's it all. So thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.